Look closely at this circle. In a world that often feels fragmented, chaotic, and moving at a breathless pace, there is a sacred geometry that calls us back to center. This is a mandala. Derived from the ancient Sanskrit word for circle, a mandala is far more than just a beautiful arrangement of shapes and colors. It is a cosmic map. It is a mirror of the soul. As we look at this specific piece, created with care and pattern, a radiant rainbow radiating outward from a single, dark, focal center. This art piece serves as a visual bridge. It is a bridge that connects three of the most profound pillars of the human experience: love, peace, and spirituality. Every line drawn here, every petition of color, is a step on an inner journey. Today, let's walk that path together, moving from the outside world into the deep, white center of being. We begin on the outer edges, where the mandala meets the world. In image.png, the outer perimeter flourishes in bold, passionate reds, graduating into warm oranges and joyous yellows. This outer ring represents our connection to the external universe and, most importantly, the energy of love. Love is outward facing. It is a force that binds us to one another, the passion that drives us to create, and the warmth we extend to the world. Notice how the petals on the outermost edge repeat perfectly, seamlessly holding hands all the way around the circumference. This is a visual representation of unconditional love, an unbroken circle that excludes no one, has no beginning, and knows no end. When an artist sits down to create a mandala like this, using the precision of the pens resting at the top of image.png, it requires an immense act of devotion. You cannot rush a mandala. To give your time, your focus, and your breath to every tiny white line and delicate dot is an act of love in its purest form. It is self-love materialized, and it is a gift of love to anyone who gazes upon it. As we move inward, the warm colors transition into a lush, vibrant green. In the language of chakras and spiritual energy, green is the color of the heart. It is a bridge between the physical and the spiritual. And here, it represents peace. Look at the rhythm of the green band in image.png. It is composed of steady, sharp, yet harmoniously balanced triangles and points. This is a geometry of stability. Peace is not the absence of movement, it is a presence of balance amidst movement. When you create or meditate on a mandala, your brain waves naturally begin to slow down. The repetitive motion of filling in these geometric pathways acts as an anchor for a wandering mind. The anxieties of yesterday and the worries of tomorrow fade away. There is only the present stroke of the pen. In this space, peace ceases to be a distant goal and becomes a current reality. The mandala becomes a sanctuary, a quiet room inside your mind where the storm cannot reach you. Deepening our journey toward the core, the mandala in image.png cools into brilliant blues, rich indigos, and a regal purple. We have left the material world behind. We are now swimming in the waters of spirituality. These cool tones represent the infinite sky, the deep ocean, and the vast